Alright y'all, it was officially another release day Saturday, and we had these sneakers right here that ended up releasing.
Yep.
Now, I was able to pick up the Kobe Air Force Ones easy this morning. Easy off of nicekicks.com. And then Shoe Palace did have the Kobe Protro 5s as well. But hey, them Kobe Protro 5s gonna be affordable. Affordable. It was allegedly only 700 pairs of the Air Forces on the sneakers app. They went out ASAP, but man, these Kobe 5s, I'm seeing them pop back up so many places. A lot of places have first come first serve, and I love to see it. I love to see a Kobe available sitting around. It's gonna be sitting on shelves. Absolutely love it. Now this sneaker right here, today we just only had the raffle results. As you guys can see, I took all L's on these, so I don't know, maybe the sneakers app is gonna drop them, not sure, but I dang sure ain't paying that resale value. But now I'm headed to mall to pick up my Kobe's. I was able to hit on Foot Locker, the Kobe 5s, to show you guys. I'm gonna try to stop by JD Sport and see if they got any of the Yeezy slides left over, and also we gonna see if we can see these shoes right here, the Ja 5 New York, the New Yorks. We gonna see what's going on with them as well. Hey, so y'all make sure I hit that like button, hit that hype button. Let's go to this mall. Let's go. All right, y'all. So Foot Locker, Brandon, Florida. Seeing what's in Flint's still up in here. These joints are in here, and of course those are here. Hey man, say man. These right here, these are them Jones back in the day, boy. Oof. So over here on the wall where stuff tends to sit. Yes sir. I did ask them, and they said they do got sizes. It was a restock basically. So make sure y'all check your Foot Lockers and all your stores. Pretty sure they're gonna have the gloves in stock, but pretty much the same stuff, bro. Do have the Charles Barkley's here. You know what I'm saying? They're sitting up in here. Diamond Terse. So yeah, man. Go out into your stores, bro. Go out into your stores. They do have these up in here, these joints, the Kobe joints right here, and I'm gonna see what size they got available in those. These here, y'all have a 12 or 11 and a half?
Yeah, I think my biggest might be a 10 or 10 and a half.
10 and a half? Okay, did y'all have full sizes or something?
We did, but people already picked them up.
Yeah, because they didn't raffle these though.
No.
That was just to ship. Yeah. Ship, okay. Oh, they was first come, first serve? Oh man, yeah, online it was just like the ship to me option or whatever. That's all I had. Ah, cool, appreciate you, bro. And then they do have these as well. So yeah, man, stuff is sitting in stores, Foot Lockers and stuff like that. But these are actually pretty solid though. These are clean, bro. I ain't even gonna hold you. All right, so we checked JD and all those places. They ain't got no Yeezys. Nobody has a Ja 4, so here we are. All we're gonna do is take a look at these Kobe's, but it was cool to see that they actually do have the Air Force Ones in stores. They were saying that it was only online, so make sure you check in the stores as we go about this. So shout out to Foot Locker. All right, so it should be so size 12. Whenever I buy any Kobe's, I always go up size 12, go up a size. Anyway, black papers, typical box, and then we have the Kobe 5 Protro, man. What y'all think, bro? Oh, let me move these laces out the way. What y'all think? How y'all feeling about these? These, in my opinion, the bottom should have been white, bro. Or something should have been white. This is a lot of blue. It's not a bad looking shoe by any means, but I definitely like the 6s better. But we have a silver and white Nike swoosh on the side. I do love the hints of the stitching right here, the baseball stitching. That's dope. I kind of like an icy blue bottom in places with the white Mamba logo with the red. Blue stock laces, but then you do have the red ones, and then you have these baseball string laces that'll probably look dope on it. White Mamba logo. Inner side of the shoe is going to be the exact same thing. White Mamba logo on the blue insole, blue sock liner. It also do come with this. All right, so here's the other one. They do come with this sticker as well, which is a dope touch. I do like that sticker, but you know, a sticker is a sticker, man. But here's the other one. This is going to be your right one. It's just an all blue, bro. That is just a lot of blue on this shoe. But what y'all think, bro? How y'all feeling about these? Are these a pickup or a put down for you guys? In my opinion, I'm probably gonna keep them because y'all know I'm a Kobe guy, but I don't know. We're gonna see, bro. I know resale ain't gonna be too crazy for them, so if you actually want these, you'll be able to get them, bro. But it's just one of them things where if you are not in dire need to have this Kobe, I could see these actually sitting around. They had a lot of pairs that hadn't been picked up at Foot Locker, so I think they're available after 5 p.m. EST. So I think if you walk into a store, especially later on this week or throughout the week, you should be able to get your size as well. But y'all let me know down in the comment section how y'all feel about these. What are your thoughts and opinions? Did you pick these up? Or did you pick up the Air Force Ones? Let me know. I appreciate y'all. But that's all I got for y'all. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rockers right now is hype. Remember everything we talk about, including these Kobe's, just bait. Let me share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.